Discover a truly rare and unique opportunity in the heart of Mineola, one of Mississauga's most prestigious and tightly held neighborhoods. With so few vacant lots remaining in this coveted community, this exceptional 50 by 132-foot parcel is your chance to create a stunning custom detached home that perfectly reflects your vision of luxury living. Imagine building your dream sanctuary surrounded by majestic, mature trees on a generous lot that offers privacy and space to truly shine. This is where your family will thrive. Mornings filled with possibility, afternoons of play and discovery, and evenings spent embracing the very best of lakeside living. Step into the vibrant Port Credit community just moments away. Stroll along Lake Ontario's scenic waterfront trails as the sun sets over the water. Wander into charming streets lined with exceptional restaurants and cozy coffee shops that become your daily favorites. Enjoy the energy of Port Credit Village, boutique shops, waterfront festivals, marinas, and a true sense of neighborhood connection that makes every day feel special. Convenience is effortless here. Quick access to the QEW, Port Credit Go station, and everything the GTA has to offer, all while enjoying the peaceful, upscale charm of Mineola. Education excellence is at your doorstep. Nearby, Cawthra Park Secondary's Regional Arts Program and St. Paul Secondary's International Baccalaureate and Gifted programs set the stage for bright futures, alongside outstanding elementary schools. World-class healthcare is also expanding rapidly. Trillium Health Partners at Hurontario and Queensway is undergoing a major redevelopment, becoming one of the largest in the area and attracting top medical professionals. With ongoing LRT infrastructure enhancing connectivity, the future here is incredibly bright. This is more than land. It's a limited opportunity to secure your place in one of the GTA's most desirable communities. Don't just dream about the perfect detached home. Build it here. Opportunities like this do not last long. You do not want to miss this. For more information, please contact